Process mapping is about visualizing business processes within an organisation. So first of all, what is a process? Well, a process is the work that an organisation does to deliver value to a customer. So it's the sort of collections of activities that different teams do. For example, the work that marketing does, or the work that sales does, development, delivery, and so on. So if you think about marketing, it does work in order to deliver leads to the sales team. The sales team performs work to deliver orders to the delivery team, and so on. And those are the business processes, as I said, the work that describes what's happening in the organisation. Process maps are a way for documenting that work within the organisation. And it's about making it simple and easy for people to understand so that everybody can see clearly what that work is. But specifically, process mapping is about visualising that work. So it's not about written documents describing procedures. It's about actually drawing out those activities and the flow of work, and it helps you then start to understand the flow of data through an organisation too. You can use process mapping for lots of different things, but predominantly it's used for training, quality and audits, or improving the organisation. And that could be identifying problems, it could be about reducing cost, reducing time, improving quality. But perhaps more powerfully, process maps can be used to improve the organisation, so to make the performance better. And so that's all about trying to understand where are things going wrong, or where could things be better than they are today. It's all about collaboration and alignment. So getting people to work together, understand each other's roles as much as their own, and that really helps to build trust. It's about identifying opportunities for improvement, and if we do that in a continuous way, then the organisation as a whole can continually improve. And lastly, it's about understanding the constraints in which the organisation has to operate within.